subscribers எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Everyone is very good afternoon. This is for English video. We will see for tomorrow Nifty or Bank Nifty levels for this video. Okay. Already you will getting for some entry means I hope you will get good profit for this trade. Okay. You will watching this video means you have any doubt would be there means ask to comment box or email. Okay, we will analyze for the Nifty and Bank Nifty both for this video. First we will coming for Nifty videos, after finishing for coming to Bank Nifty videos. Okay, so this is for Nifty chart. You will go and take it for 3 month chart. Okay, first we will go to take 3 month chart. Market will be trading around note it 26,300. Okay, take it pen and paper. Okay, you will note it. You will trade for these levels means you will note it. Nifty put today date. Okay, so after you will note it for the high Nifty all time high 26,300. Okay, next what is next low? What is low means 24,300. 24,300. Okay, this is low, this is high. Okay, how much point will be trade for single day means Nifty trading for around maximum go to day chart. Okay, take it the tool, price tool, will measure it 300 point, 300 to 400 point. So 300 point. Okay, single day market will be trading for the around 300 points for the levels. So we will expecting for this market yesterday or today also closing for these levels 24,300, 26,300. Okay, 25, 26, 2,000 point would be trading around market near these levels. So weekly chart. So low and high. What is next levels means we are expecting for monthly chart. Market will be giving for good retracement. Okay, go to day chart. What is my expectation for tomorrow? Market will be by 10. Okay, what is 3 months 3 month chart? Go to just 3 month chart. Market will be again go to by 10. By 10. Okay, only breakout for this level 24,300, 26,300. Okay, otherwise market will be upcoming days will be moving the buy trend levels. Right now market not telling for any levels today or expectation, so otherwise market will be tend to will be wait for closing this week closing. You will wait for this week closing, otherwise day will be market buyers will be coming. Okay, buyers will be coming, but monthly chart not trend reversal. Monthly chart will be there in buy sell trend only. Okay, we will hope we will wait and watch this week closing 24,300. So you will note it for this levels means how much time will we take. 2 to 3 weeks take time for market will be recover to buy trend. Okay, this level to this level 24,300 to 26,300. Okay, this is the level, this is the stop loss. 24,300 will be stop loss. We will see for the Bank Nifty. So we will go and just move it for the 12-month chart, 6-month chart. Okay, 3-month chart. One-month chart. Okay, we will take it for this chart. Okay, this is the low. This is the high. Okay, all-time high. We will go to all-time high. So next will be move to day chart. So market will be expecting for downtrend. We will go just analysis in the below 58,675. Okay, below 58,675. Below this is the market will be downtrend for tomorrow. So not breaking for this levels means not breaking for this levels 58,675 means market will be uptrend. Otherwise breakout tomorrow means market will be expecting downtrend. What is overall expectation means we will see for yesterday's, right? Mm, 59,582. 59,000 Bank Nifty 59,852. 59,582. Okay. This is for the level. Not breaking for this low means market will be going to this level. This is the target. This is the next target for Bank Nifty. Okay, 59,852. Here would be expecting to some breakout or gap filling. So first target will be market not breakout for today, 58,755. Okay, today here will be on support. Otherwise market breaking for tomorrow means what is target means 59,852. Okay, this is the target. Bank Nifty target. Okay, this is the target. Stop loss 58,000. $58,658 669. Okay, $58,669. Stop loss. Okay, this is the target. This is stop loss. Okay, you have any doubt will be there, then ask to comment box or email ID. Otherwise I will update for tomorrow morning. In short video. Okay, just I will market after market will be opening for I will update for levels. Okay, you will hope you will getting buy entry for today 59,858 below, up only by 10. Okay, otherwise getting the target. So okay, this video you have like this video means don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you have any doubt will be there means you go to ask to comment box. Okay, we will see for the next video on tomorrow. You have any other doubt will be there, you want to any question and you have any fourth video will be there means send me to email id, contact email id will be there here, businesskdm25@gmail.com. Okay, this is the mail id, and you will go and visit for Instagram. The Instagram post will be short video only there in Instagram. Okay, LinkedIn will be I will share to some articles. Okay, I will do. You will go and just visit and read it. Thank you for watching this video. I will hope you like this video. We will see for the next video. Okay, thank you. You have sent it for your portfolio means I will check and I give to chart ranges. Okay, what chart analysis. Okay, you'll go and just you have giving any share means like SBI. Okay, share. I will go on searching in the. I will showing for levels is right 1225. 35 into 35. After market will be giving to 1000. How much point will be market will be down? Market down will be 67 points. Okay, within 4 to 5 weeks, 1 week. Okay, I will analysis the chart. I will give to charts. Okay, you have for video will be there. Man, ask the comment box. Thank you watching this video. We will see for next video. You like this video means don't forget like and subscribe and share your friends. Thank you.